Good morning. At sharp 9:30, I'll start the class. Good morning, everyone. Take out your notebooks, everyone. Take out your notebooks. We have done Nishika. Nishika, what is happening again? This you're coming 2 days, then 1 day leave, then 2 days. What is happening?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is sorry? You think the teacher is not noticing?
No, ma'am.
Please come daily in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal, may I know the reason why were you absent yesterday? Yes, Vedi, okay. You can put two IDs. Yes, Jahan Agarwal. Can you turn on your camera, please? Turn on your camera, Jahan. And Jahan, it's okay that today I will allow you the camera off. Please come in the class regularly. Gunav, turn on your camera, please. Where's Twisha? Turn on your camera. Priya, turn on your camera. Okay, I'll start the class. Priya, every day 1 or 2 minutes late. Why this is happening? I hope you know the class timing. Yes?
No, ma'am, I joined on 30.
You join on 31.
Ma'am, when
Ramdalal, 9:31. Why 1 minute late, बच्चा?
मैम उसका नेट ही नहीं चल रहा था, कब से वो वाईफाई ज्वाइन करने की ट्राई कर रहे थे हम दोनों, अभी मोबाइल से किया है उसका मैम।
ओके,
उसकी कोई गलती नहीं है। हम
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम मैम। इसका ज्यादा नहीं होता है, बट जिनका होता है आई एम टेलिंग टू दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो।
नहीं मैम, ये सच बोल रहा है, मैं उसके साथ कब से मोबाइल में
हाँ।
अभी ज्वाइन करके बैठी हूँ
मैम मैं वही कह रही हूँ, ज्यादा इसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है, क्लास में आ जाता है टाइम से, पर मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है स्टूडेंट्स को बोलना। The students, those who are joining late, please check time. Mikdad, 2 minutes late. Mikdad, I have to wait for you.
Ma'am.
Ayush, 2 minutes late. Can I remove you from my class, both of you? Ayush and Mikdad?
No, ma'am.
No, now tell me what should I do?
I usually don't get this late, but I forgot that there was class, and then I quickly said that there's class, and then I joined. That's why I'm usually not late.
See, again I'm repeating. I will start my class at 9:30. Then it is your responsibility if you join late. Please don't tell me that, ma'am, please, I have joined late. Can you repeat? These words I don't want to listen from any of the child. If you have joined late, it is your problem. Then whatever is missed, then it is your duty to understand. Am I clear with everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I will start my class at 9:30 every day. At 9:30 sharp, if you join, it's excellent to you. If you don't join at 9:30, it is your problem. Don't tell me, ma'am, please repeat what you have done because of this issue, because of this issue. I have joined late. I am not going to. Because children, if you have network issue, sometimes I also face network issue. That is the reason I join always before the time. 10 minutes before I'm coming in the class every day. At 9:20, I log in the class. Okay, let's start. Not wasting much time. We
from this page only.
Yeah, new page.
Ma'am, I was waiting for the class from 9:15.
Yes, I know that as soon as I started, you entered.
Yes, ma'am, me too.
So, students, as you know that we have done addition, we have done subtraction of decimals. Today we are going to do the multiplication. Write the heading multiplication.
we done word problems also.
Yes. Write the heading multiplication of decimal numbers. So before going to the multiplication of decimal numbers, or write multiplication of multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000 और सो ऑन 10,000 किसी भी नंबर से, मतलब अगर किसी डेसिमल नंबर को आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो या 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो या 1000 से करते हो या 10,000 से करते हो, मींस द नंबर विच इज हैविंग जीरोस, उससे अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो व्हाट इज द मेथड? सपोज इफ आई एम गिविंग यू मल्टीप्लाई, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सम 2.56 multiply by 10. Okay, 2 point, please look here on the board. Stop writing everyone. I will give you enough time to copy. Once you understand, you can create your own sums also and you can give me the answer. But main top thing is to understand. Gurnav, turn on your camera. And Samriddhi, look here on the board.
Yes, sir. Ma'am, can I tell I've joined from another device?
Yes, no problem.
Ma'am,
your another device is echoing. Can I mute it?
wait, I'll just put a earphone. Yes, ma'am. I was telling that can I tell the method?
No. Let me explain to the students. Then I will ask from you all. Okay,
ma'am.
Children, when there one side is the decimal number and the other side the number which is having the zeros, one with the along with the zeros, what you have to do is you multiply the way you multiply, ignore the zero. Okay, right? Zero ko bhul jao abhi, ignore it. 256 ko when you multiply with the 10, I think this will come. Yes. A number will multiply.
It will come 256.
I am not putting the decimal right now. I am telling you ignore the zero and think is this number is 256. And if the number is 256 and when Ayush pay attention here, something is going on behind. Ignore the...
No, ma'am, there is nothing.
Ignore the decimal and multiply it with the 10. Whenever you multiply the number with the 10, what you will notice that 0 will come. Mohit, excellent. Excellent, Mohit. 7 minutes late in the class.
And the 0 will be at the back.
0, 1, 0 will come because when you multiply the number with the 10, 0. Karna, very good. 8 minutes late. Mohit and Karna, stay in the class till the last. I want to talk to you. Not now. Please let me continue the class. And turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, if we multiply by 100,
then 2 0 will come. If you multiply by 1000, then 3 0 will
Yes,
come. If
ma'am.
you multiply by 10,000, 4 0 will come. Okay. So now you have ignored the 0. Now where to put the decimal? Because in the question, where was the decimal?
Ma'am, now we need to put the decimal in between of 25 and 60.
Can you please allow me to speak, Rudra? I know you know, but everyone doesn't know. Okay. So in the question, the decimal was here, and after the decimal, there are 2 places. Now in the answer also, we want to put the decimal. How we put? From the right side, we count, from the back, we count 2 digits because after the decimal, there are 2 places or the 2 digits. So here also in the answer, we count the 2 digit and put the decimal. So this will be your answer.
Now I am understood.
Got it? And
Yes, ma'am.
one more easy method. One more easy method. Whenever we are now write the easy method in your notebooks.
And we will write this also.
Write this also first. and then I will give you the easy method. Direct method you can easily do without multiplication. Okay. Can Samriddhi give me one example with this method which we have done right now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Any decimal number by 100, 10 or 1000?
Yeah, ma'am. 9.64 multiplied by 1000.
Okay. So what will be the answer?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm saying the answer. 964,000. 3 zeros will come. And then there was two digits behind the decimal, so we'll count 2 digits and then put the decimal. Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
So the answer will be 9640.00.
Ma'am, if it's 29.64, then answer will be same.
Let me see some 29.64. Okay. Multiply by which number?
100.
100.
Ma'am, you have
2964. Sorry, 64 you told, no? Add 2 zeros at the back, right? And then you put the decimal here after counting the 2 digits. The answer will be 22,964. Because after the decimal, if there are 2 digits, we can ignore them. Or we can write them also. Both the answers are correct.
Ma'am, if there are 3 digits at the decimal place, then we will, what will do?
Same method. Count the 3 digits from the back. If there are 4 digits after the decimal, count the 4 digits from the back. Method is same.
Ma'am, I can give a D number.
Okay, and now give me. Ayush, you are not writing anything in your notebooks.
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, Lakshya, give me the D sum.
4.6666 multiply by 10,000.
Now 4, 6, 6. How many zeros will come?
40.
Where the decimal will come?
After 2 digits. Yes.
Two places from the back you will count and put the decimal.
Yes.
Everyone is clear? Any confusion to any child this multiplication? Rahil, give me the E sum.
Yes, ma'am. Doubt.
Yes, ask your doubt, Adhairya.
Ma'am, look, if the number comes, you said we have to ignore the last 2 digits.
We have not to ignore. When in the last 2 digits there, after the decimal, there are zeros, then we can ignore. If there are digits. Tell me.
Ma'am, if 30 comes, then also we have to. So if 0 comes after decimal point, it is.
You can ignore it also.
Okay.
कोई वैल्यू नहीं है ना, डेसिमल के बाद कोई नंबर ही नहीं है, राइट? अगर 50 पैसा, 20 पैसा, 30 पैसा कुछ तो होता नंबर, but nothing is there, so we can ignore them also. It can be this also, right? Yes, give me Rahil.
Ma'am, 3.33, ma'am.
आप कोई बड़ा नंबर बोलो, like 782.394 multiply by 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Or multiply by 100 or whatever, but the method will be same only. Ignore the decimal first. 982394. एक zero add हो जाएगी when you are multiplying the number with the number which is having zero. You add zero here. After the decimal, there are 3 places. Count the 3 places from the back and put the decimal here.
It will be
7,823.940. So it cannot be 940. It is 940 tens, hundred, thousands.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Samriddhi.
that in this we can also put from back 3 digit and from front
No,
3 digit.
from back we have to count the digits and we have to see from back. आगे से नहीं, right side से count करनी है. This is your right side ना? This is your right hand. When you are coming from right side, तो आपको right side से ही number of digits count करनी है. And how you are going to count? You have to see in the question. You cannot put the decimal. अपनी मर्जी से decimal नहीं लगाना है कहीं भी.
Okay.
Everyone is clear? Yes, Aryavan. Tell me what you want to tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when you were telling to how to do the multiplication in the decimal, it was too confusing with me. So can you tell in the short form?
This is confusing for you, this method.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the confusion? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, I didn't get how
See,
to.
whenever you multiply the number, I said ignore the decimal. Okay?
Okay.
And whenever, ma'am, Vedi, which ID I can remove? आप यही करते रहेंगे सब सारा टाइम वेदी. Let it be. रहने दो. Okay, Vedi? So, we forget about the decimal right now. Okay, RMN. And multiply, think is that this number is 782394. Pura number.
Okay.
And that number if you multiply with the 10 or by 100 or by 1000, उतनी zero लग जाती है साथ में.
Okay.
Now decimal is here and after the decimal there are 3 places or the 3 digits. Right? So from in your answer from the back, from your right side, count the 3 digits and put the decimal.
Okay, ma'am.
अगर ये डेसिमल यहाँ होता तो 4 डिजिट है तो 4 डिजिट्स काउंट करो पीछे से 1 2 3 4 and put the decimal.
Okay. So can I give like 4.56 multiply by 58?
नहीं, अभी हम 10 100 1000 से कर रहे हैं. उसका मेथड अलग होगा जो मैं 1000 से. Okay. So 4 5 6 and the 3 zeros you will add of the 1000.
Yes.
Right now you have not put it the decimal in the answer.
Yes. So
But how?
it will be 456.0.00.
Yes. So it will be 4560.
Okay.
Clear?
Ma'am?
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, there's some 782.9.
Can I erase the D1
multiplied
students?
by 10.
Wait a minute. Can I erase this D?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope
Yes, ma'am.
Nishika, Mohit, Gunav, everyone is writing in their notebooks. Nishika, I hope you are writing in your notebook. Ridan, Vivan, are you all writing in your notebooks? Please mute your mic, whose mic is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
I was telling 782.9 multiply by 10.
Yeah.
10.
So when you write the answer, ignore the 0, 78290. Now where you are going to put the decimal?
After 9, before 0.
Understood?
Yes.
Everyone is clear? Mute your mic, Ayush.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the second method in your notebooks. I'm giving you few sums.
Ma'am, can you write the G1? I cannot write, please.
You can write any number. This was just examples. You can create your own examples also. Got it, Lakshya? This method is clear. Second method is the easy method also. So write second method. Write second method of multiplication. So In exam, you can do with any of the method. Yes, Rudra, put it down. आप एग्जाम में कोई भी मेथड से कर सकते हैं because we never ask that you do with the exam same method. So second method is also the give you the same answer. Second method of multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000 or so on. ठीक है, अब इसका फर्स्ट है multiplication decimal number by 10 moves the decimal point one place to the right. पहले आप ये लिखो, मैं इसका मतलब आपको समझाऊंगी एग्जाम्पल के साथ. फर्स्ट है मल्टीप्लीकेशन अ डेसिमल नंबर बाय 10. जब अगर किसी डेसिमल नंबर को, म्यूट योर माइक, समवन माइक इज ऑन. आई रिक्वेस्ट let me take the attendance. Children, I'm taking attendance right now and I will take at the last also. If your attendance matches with the same, then only your presence will be marked. Multiplication of decimal by 10 moves the decimal point one place to the right.
10, ma'am.
Now write the, for example, if the number is 3.48 multiplied by 10. अगर मैं आपको ये बोलूं मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फर्स्ट मेथड के हिसाब से, तो टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द आंसर विद द फर्स्ट मेथड.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes.
4.8.
Ma'am, it will come 3,480, and then we will add a decimal after 8.
ये हुआ?
No, ma'am. After 4. After 4
Yes, because there are 2 digits. ये तो हुआ.
After 8.
This is by with the first method, है ना, कि आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया. और सेकंड मेथड क्या कहता है कि राइट दिस नंबर पुट दिस डेसिमल 1 डिजिट राइट साइड यहाँ पर, तो आंसर हो जाएगा 34.8. 34.8 और 34.80 the values are same.
How?
Because it is 10 is having 1 0, so decimal को एक place just right side shift कर दो.
Ma'am, I didn't understood. Ma'am, if it's a big number, then also we will shift 1 digit only.
Yes, if it is like 78.964, right, and multiply by 10, it is same, right? But if you do it with the first method, you will say 789640, and you will say this answer, right? With the first method. And same if I do, okay, Gunav, noted. And same if I will do with the second method, I will just shift the place towards the right side. So 789.64.
Ma'am, if it's 100, then we will shift 2 places.
2 places right side. If it is 1000, 3 places right side.
Okay, so ma'am, if right now if we multiply it by 100, so it will come. The decimal will come after 6.
Fair. If you multiply by 100, yes. If you multiply by 100, so the two places you will shift. So decimal will come here after 6.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
When
can't
we multiply by
understand
1000 after 4,
I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, my doubt is. What will happen if the number is 7.92?
7.1.
7.92.
7.92 and multiply by which number?
Multiply by 1000.
1000. 1000 is having 3 zeros.
Yes.
तो 3 places लेना है, पर आपके पास तो 2 ही places है.
Yes.
तो एक 0 लगा देंगे आप.
Okay.
राइट, एक 0 के बाद आपका पॉइंट जाएगा. यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा आपका डेसिमल, और यहाँ पर आप. Can I erase this so that I can easily explain you with the bigger
Yes,
page?
ma'am. Ma'am, I can't understand the second method.
I am explaining you with the more examples.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Okay, see here. As Akash told me, 7 point. What was the number?
7.92 multiply by 1000.
Samriddhi said that she has not understood. She understood the first method. Tell me, कैसे करेंगे first method से?
Ma'am, from first method, we first will write 0.
पहले 0 लिखूं?
No, 7.920.
जब आप 9 लगा ही नहीं रहे, पहले तो ignore the 0. Write the 3 zeros at the back.
Yeah.
And after decimal there are 2 digits, so the decimal will be here.
Yeah.
This is the first method. Second method is the numbers is 7. Okay. And you have 3 zeros, but you have 2 places only. So 1 0 you have to put. एक 0 आपको लगानी होगी because 3 places पीछे जाना है आपको. Got it? Now your decimal will shift here.
Okay.
जब आपके पास 2 ही digits है पर आपको 3 places पीछे जाना है, put the 0. So your answer will be this. अब आपके पास decimal के पास कुछ नहीं है, तो you can write 0 0 also, or if you can't write, don't write it. Then also it is okay. So can you see it is giving the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Just count the number of 0 and shift the places that much back.
Okay.
But only in the second method is that in the first method we zeros come, but in this method 0 don't come.
No, in this also comes, but you have to put. इसमें आया automatically आ गया था, इसमें आपको decimal के बाद कुछ नहीं given है, so you can put the zeros.
I'm saying that only.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have one more doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, I have one more example. 1.5 multiplied by 1000.
After the decimal, you have 1 place, but here are 3 zeros. तो आपको 3 places पीछे जाना है. तो कितने zeros add करोगे?
Ma'am, 2.
2. तो answer will be यहाँ से था 3 places पीछे जाना है, decimal यहाँ आएगा, पर इस decimal के बाद कुछ नहीं है, तो 0 लगा दो.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Ma'am, if it will be 1.0 multiplied by 1000, then
1.0
yeah,
multiply by 1000.
yeah.
Method क्या कहता है?
Ma'am, the method says that we have to jump 3.
Ma'am, answer is 1000.
You have to jump 3 places. एक place तो आपके पास है ही, 2 0 आप लगाएंगे, फिर आपका decimal आएगा, और फिर कुछ नहीं है तो 0 आएंगे, तो answer is 1000.
Ma'am, can I say? It's just practically 1 multiplied by 1000.
Yeah, it's just practical. 1 multiplied by 1000 will give you the 1000. आप practically करने की कोशिश नहीं करते हैं. You just want to learn the things.
Ma'am, can you say this is right or wrong? I make a sum and that.
हाँ.
So the sum is 2.964. Multiply by 10,000. So the answer is coming 2.9640.
गलत, आपने 0.2 के बाद ही लगा दिया, वो दिस इज रॉन्ग. आपका डेसिमल ही तो शिफ्ट होगा, आपने तो डेसिमल को शिफ्ट ही नहीं किया.
The answer is the 964.
Here was your decimal and your decimal will go after the 4 digits.
Just 0
यहाँ पर
and
जाएगा.
3 zeros add.
And then 0 will be added.
Added नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो 0 लगा देते हैं.
Ma'am,
30, ma'am.
Ma'am, 30 in the back.
क्यों?
Ma'am, because it's 10,000, na. So 10 will
3
come
digits
here.
are already. नहीं, हम 2 ऐसे लगाते हैं. Let me check. हाँ, it's 4 zeros. हाँ. बट नहीं भी लगाओ तो भी आपका आंसर ये है.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, but you added 2 zeros, so you have to like.
Yes,
You are adding
but
2
your
zeros,
answer
so
is
you have to
this.
add the correct amount.
Got it, everyone?
Okay. Yes, ma'am, same answer.
Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the heading for we have done many examples mixed, लेकिन अपने 10 के बाद 100 की लाइन लिखो. Second, multiplication. Multiplying. Multiplying. Multiplying a decimal by decimal number by 100 moves the decimal point 2 places to the right. For example, 28.9 multiplied by 100. So how you will do? You will 2 places, but you have only 1 place. So what you will do, students?
We will add 2 zeros.
हाँ, 2 zeros क्यों? एक डिजिट तो ऑलरेडी है आपके पास.
Yes, ma'am, 1 zero.
एक डिजिट यहाँ पर है ना, ये यहाँ 0 होगा तभी इसको यहाँ प्लेस करेंगे ना. So it will be 2890. If it is 1000, 3 places, 2 0 लगाओगे. Trisha, please understand the concept, my dear. If it is 1000 से multiply and you have only 1 digit, so you add 2 zeros and then shift. यहाँ था decimal, practically you can see I am shifting it. I have to put 0 here, then only I can shift. Because I need 2 digits. Am I clear?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. I didn't understood. Ma'am, you said that there is. Oh, understood. So, ma'am, but the decimal will come from 8 and after 0. So, where will be the decimal?
Tell me the number, I will write.
Ma'am, the same number only.
But you are shifting the decimal ना. अगर आपने decimal की place shift कर दी तो entire sum will be changed. So you tell me the exact place.
26 decimal, then 60 multiplied by 100.
You have 2 zeros. You have 2 places. Just shift it, put it here. If you are putting it here and nothing at the back, just ignore it and your answer will be this.
Okay, understood.
Got it? Clear, everyone? Now same way write for the 1000 also. So 1000 में कितनी places shift होगा? I'm converting it to the multiplying a decimal number by 1000 moves the decimal point. How many digits? Bolo.
3.
2.
3. 3. 1000 is having 3 zeros. So the decimal will shift towards the right 3 places. Write the example. Same example कोई करते हैं अगर हम 1000 से. Now tell me what will be the answer, students?
2 zeros after 9.
28.9, and you have to shift it 2 places, 3 places, so you have to put 2 zeros and the decimal will come here and nothing there after the decimal. Ignore it. This will be your answer. Do it, students, fast. And this comes in the mental maths, which you can give the quick answers.
Then I have one more example. 18.1.
18.1 multiply by
The same number, 1000.
1000. कहाँ जाएगा?
10.18. One more zero add. 0.00.
Wrong.
Ma'am, I had make a sum.
0. point.
अब इस यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद कुछ नहीं है. Ignore it. This will be your answer. आप कैलकुलेटर पे या किसी पे मल्टीप्लाई करके देखना what is your answer coming.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
I had make a sum.
Tell me.
16.2 multiply by 1000.
16.2
Yeah.
multiply by 1000. Okay, what is your answer coming?
So my answer is coming 16200.00.
हाँ, तो पॉइंट के बाद 00 लगाना कंपलसरी नहीं है. This can also be your answer, क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद 00 आप लगाएंगे उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, got it?
16,200.
अगर यही नंबर ऐसा होता 2 3 3 6, राइट? सो आपको यहाँ पर 3 प्लेसेस के बाद शिफ्ट करनी है, तो देन ऑल्सो योर आंसर विल बी लाइक दिस. यहाँ से डेसिमल 3 प्लेसेस बैक शिफ्ट होगा. 16236. I hope this concept is clear to everyone.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to send you the worksheet based on this concept. Multiply by 100,000, and it is up to you which method you are applying, but I have explained you both the methods. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye, ma'am.
And please, I'm going to ask in the next